Active speakers from the Harman Kardon brand are one of the satellite speakers that are generally used for desktop computer and other uses. This speaker is made in the Great Wall country, namely China. And I want to show you something like what is inside this active speaker. Harman Kardon trademark and blue LED. Main switch and potentiometer knob. Mono female jack 3.5 mm for headphone. It looks like this active speaker body was made by HP. You can see other data specification on the label that I show in this video. It seems like this is a fairly well-known active speaker from the HP brand, and I am sure its sound is better than other brand. And I will try to open the front grille of this speaker. And this is what the front face of the speaker looks like. And again, now let's open the front grille again, the left speaker. Unplug pull the potentiometer knob. Use a screwdriver to open the 4 screw. It looks like there is nothing special here. It seems like this is what is inside. We also need to lift this LED upward. The number of fixed resistors on the PCB is approximately between 17 and 20. The audio output IC used is SJ8207. The basic schematic is like this. Let's take a look at the bottom of this PCB board. All components used for this active speaker use straw hole. This means that all components do not use SMD. And I am sure even an electronic beginner can fix it. This is a quality speaker made of magnet, and it is anti-magnetic protected. The diameter of this magnet is 1.5 inches. The depth of the magnet is 5 divided by 8 inch. Finally, the diameter of the cone is 2 inches. And okay, now let's open the left speaker. We will measure the impedance of these two speakers. Is it the same or not? We get the value is around 5.6 ohm, even though it should be 4 ohm, so 4 ohm is correct. So the impedance value of these two speakers is the same.